Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia Howard. How are you doing today? In today's video, I will be showing you a little hack on how you can get your Christmas decoration for free or for a little price. I'm so much excited for the holiday season, and yay! Christmas is in the year! This is Cecelia Howard YouTube channel. If you're new to this YouTube channel, welcome. On this YouTube channel, I discuss a lot about different DIY life hack that can save you money. I talk about healthy diet, I talk about beauty hack, I talk about home decoration on budget, and what we'll be talking about is another hack that can save you money. Oh yes, please check out my YouTube channel for all my videos. Without further delay, what we'll be discussing about today is a secret on how you can get your holiday Christmas decoration for cheap or for free. So, this is a secret in America. Every 26th of December, nearly every store, especially Walmart, they try to slash down every price on all Christmas decoration. Yes. So if you're like me, that you're eyeing any of the Christmas decoration and you're like, oh, this is too high, just wait till December 26th and try as much as possible to get into their store as early as possible. And I'll be showing you what I got 2 years ago for cheap from Walmart. All right, let's go. There are a couple of stuff that I got from Walmart for cheap and for nothing. Yes, I mean for nothing. So like I said earlier on, every December 26th, all the stores in America try to slash down the price on their Christmas decoration. And this is how I got this 2 years ago for cheap and for free. Let me start with this. So like this teddy bear light, this was actually selling for $19.84. But on that day, I got it for $9. So this is another way. And there's small stuff, which ornaments that you can use to decorate your tree. This was selling for $4.98, and I got it for like $2.45. And this also was selling for $3.98, and I got it for half of the price. This is another stuff. This is like a light outdoor clip. This was actually selling for $2.98, and I got it for $1.50. This is another light selling for $9.98. I got it for half of the price. The tree skirt. The skirt that they use under the tree. You can see the tree skirt. This was selling for $19.98. I got this for $10. The tree skirt. Our Christmas tree was selling for $25. Can you see? And I got this for $12. This light, outdoor light, was selling for $25.88. I got this for $13 because I got it on the day they were doing the sales. So this outdoor light was selling for $16.98, and I got it for $8. All this ornament clip, 8 cents, 98 cents. I got them for 50 cents. This reindeer was selling for $49, and I got this for $25. This is another one. I got it for $1. This was selling for $4.98. I got it for $2. This clip, I got it for 50 cents. $1.50. $1.50. This was selling for $8.98. Light up tree topper for your Christmas tree. I got it for $5. And this was selling for $49. This light up rattan look snowman. I got it for $25. This. I got it for $25. This dark light up was selling for $39. I got it for $20, half of the price. This light was selling for $12.48, and I got it for $7. First ornament tree was selling for $19, and I got it for $9. This I got it for $2. Also, this was selling for $25. You can use this off Christmas season, and you can use it for Christmas. Merry Christmas. I got it for $12. This was selling for $10. I got it for $5.
Okay.
This angel light was selling for $59, and I got it for $30. And the big Christmas tree, this was selling for $99, and I got it for $50. So this is how to get your holiday Christmas decoration for free or for cheap. The secret is to go to the store the next day after Christmas, and most of the stores in United States of America normally slash down their Christmas decor half of the price. And you want to make sure that you get there early, especially if you're going to Walmart. It's always like a tug of war, everybody trying to get one thing or the other. And that was how I was able to get my Christmas decoration. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you've learned one or two things. Please let me know what you would have done differently. And until next time, when I come your way, it's still your girl, Cecelia Ho. I love you all. Bye for now.
What's this? Oh, Santa. This is a snowman?
Cheap by buying them a day after Christmas from Walmart. And if you're wondering how you can get your Christmas decoration for free or for cheap, if you live in United States of America, please go watch the video that I did about how to get your Christmas holiday decoration for free. And here are a couple of Christmas decor that we will be using to decorate our house. Let's go.